Diagram 15 shows a man throwing a shot put, I think, shotgun. Alright, so I think it's not gun, it's a shot put, P-U-T. Alright, the trajectory of the shot put follow a quadratic function. So this is a quadratic function which fx is the height of the shotgun or shot put, and x is the horizontal distance of the shot put. Okay, so it's okay with the story. Now, based on the graph, this is a quadratic function. We can actually determine the axis of symmetry here, and we can write down the maximum point. This is the x-intercept, which is 10, 0. And this is the y-intercept, which was not given. So basically, there are 4 things that you must know: x-intercept, y-intercept, and the maximum point and axis of symmetry. Now, let's look at this quadratic function, which is already in completing the square form. So from here, we would like to read out the maximum point, because here is negative. So we just let the perfect square 0, we will get x equal to p, and this value we can just plug in here. So that means from here we can read out the p and q easily, right? So the p is 2, q is 1.7. That's it, very simple. So find the value of p and q. So number 1, p is 2 and q is 1.7, right? Find the height of the shotgun at the moment it leaves the boy's hand. This is what the question means. Leave the man's hand. So this is the y-intercept. So in order to find y-intercept, we need to use the equation. So let's copy down this equation and we substitute the p and q value inside. So fx equal to negative 2 over 75 x minus p squared plus q. So our equation is fx equal to negative 2 over 75 x minus 2 square plus q. Plug in the p and q inside. Now we want to find the y-intercept is when x 0. So we will substitute the 0, 0 here, right? So let's solve it now. Okay, let's find the space here. Okay, f0 is equal to negative 2 over 75, 0 minus 2 square plus 1.7. So let's find the f0 is negative 2 over 75 times with the 4 plus 1.7. Now you can press your calculator. This is actually the y-intercept. You can write c is negative 8 over 75 plus 1.7. So let's plug into the calculator and let's find out the answer is 1.7 minus 8 over 75. So the answer is around, if we round off correctly, we will get 1.59. The answer is, we deliver the answer. So let's write down the answer for the C is 1.593. Alright? Okay? We deliver the working and the answer to you. So C is 1.593. Right, that's all my sharing on how to apply the quadratic function and solve the problem. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day. For the part B, the P is equal to 2. So this is actually the answer marks only. There is no working marks. P is 2, 1 mark. And Q is 1.7, 1 mark. And finally, the part 2, you have to substitute. And then when you substitute, you are giving the steps marks. And the final answer must be 4 significant figure, right? So that is the answer for part B.